obviously the first type of answers we can hear is it depends, right? But I wanted to address that and give you a good idea what to expect and how much does it cost and what factors drive the cost up or down. Okay, so let's start from the very basic numbers. An average kitchen that is about 40 doors and drawer fronts altogether can cost anywhere between $3,500 and $7,000, somewhere in between this range. Okay, and there are different factors that might affect the price, the total price. First of all, obviously the size of the kitchen and configuration. So if we have very simple, very basic design and the kitchen has a frame, okay, so that is very simple. We have no crown moldings, nothing else, super easy. Okay, that's the very basic kitchen. And then if we have some crown moldings, if we have some sub-zeros, some fridges installed into the kitchen, very complicated designs and stuff like that, then the cost can obviously go up just because it becomes more labor intensive. Okay, then colors. If we would like to refinish the existing kitchen and go with one solid color, let's say nowadays we have very popular classic whites or off-whites and it's one color, obviously the cost will stay the same. But if we add more colors, let's say we paint our islands or the bottom cabinets gray, which is again very popular nowadays, then we would charge some extra. Usually it's within $300 to $700 range for the extra color, just because again it becomes more labor intensive, and then we have some extra cost of materials, extra waste, etc, etc. Another factor, desired look. So let's say we have an existing kitchen that is very light color, very light stained wood, and it's in very good shape, and we would like to go darker. Then we can do what is called shading. Then we can make the kitchen a little bit darker. That means we will have the same semi-transparent look. We can still see the beauty of the wood, the grain, but it will be slightly darker, and again it's going to have new finish on it. So that's another factor. I would say for the shading, if we go with light stained colors, darker, more towards brownish or darker colors, then we would probably add another 10 to 20% depending on the complexity of the job. And then another thing that can increase the cost, as I already mentioned, the complexity of the design. If we have a lot of details, we have some routed nice patterns and stuff like that, we have nice crown moldings, we have some fancy profile on the doors, that again can increase the cost a little bit, but I wouldn't say it's much. It's usually up to 5 to 10% maximum. Okay, also if we have some fancy cabinets like open concept cabinets when you can see through the glass, like we have some wine shelves, right? Let's say we go from dark stain color to white to solid white, then if everything is white, you wouldn't want to see that, dark brown spot. All right, so these are pretty much all the factors, all the basic factors that can affect price of kitchen cabinet refinishing. Hope this video helps, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to ask and leave it in the comments down below. I'd be happy to answer them. We'll see you next time.